I would like to welcome my subscribers and thank you for clicking on this video. This video has been requested for me to teach you guys how to braid from my point of view. I hope this helps. So now we're going to start with the Shine & Jam. You can use any type of gel that you would like to use. This helps with gripping. It also keeps you from braiding the person's hair too tight, and it also keeps you from getting calluses on your fingers. Because if you're getting calluses, that probably means that you're gripping the hair too tight and causing more strain on your hand. Because I get asked all the time, does your hands hurt when you braid? And I'm like, no, it doesn't. So you're going to smooth that product in the hair. Now we'll post a link of where you can purchase a mannequin from and where you can purchase a stand from, and also the Shine & Jam as well, because I know everyone doesn't have access to purchase these items, but I will make it easier for you guys and post the link in the description below. So now we're going to part off a section and split it up into 3 parts. Then we're going to start the gripping process. You can use your other hand to control how much hair you're putting inside the braid, so your braid can be consistent and neat. Now I don't actually braid like this, but for the sake of the tutorial, I'm going to show you guys on how to control how much hair to put inside the braid. But once you get this down pat, you will pretty much just braid. You're basically using your pointy finger and your thumb and your middle finger to control the hair once you start braiding. The middle finger guides the hair into the plait, and your pointy finger and your thumb puts the hair inside of the braid. Keep your fingers closed tight and keep your hands near the braid, and that would keep the braid nice and firm and consistent. See how my thumb and my pointy fingers just grabbing the hair to go inside the braid? And see how my hand is real close to the braid, and my hand is closed. That's how you keep your braids nice and neat and consistent. Everybody braids differently, but when you're learning how to braid, just get the concept down. And once you figure out what's comfortable for you, then that's how you braid. Because I don't normally braid like this. I braid a little different. If I show you guys how I braid, you're going to be looking like, what? How you do that? So I'm just showing you guys like this method. And I know sometimes people can braid and their braid will be, it start off in the middle and then it end up to the side. Like if you keep your just keep your hand on top of the braid and follow straight back as much as possible, you will keep your braid in the same direction as you started. And you guys don't mind those little short hairs. This is a mannequin that I had since I was in high school. I was taking cosmetology, and I end up cutting the bang because I wanted to learn how to cut a bang. So don't mind those little pieces sticking out, but If you happen to do someone's hair who has a bang, you can use holding spray and hair foam to lay the hairs down and tie it up with some either like a scarf or some strips to lay it down. And there you go. I hope this helps. I hope this helps you guys out. Thank you for requesting this video, and I hope you learn how to braid. Thank you for watching.